Evangelist Kwanye Tumba. Now him be person name, oh my people. This one now don't drag one pastor go court. The pastor for House Chapel Church. I don't know how many of you are familiar with the church, but as he be now, he dey for local government area na Yola. I don't know whether I even know the place. Yola North, now there the thing happened. The woman don't drag the pastor go court. Only the name say the pastor promise her marriage and you know come marry him at the end. And this woman where they tell you about, make her give a small gist of how they meet and how the matter can continue. They meet for one prayer session for church. So as they meet now, so the pastor can tell her say, I see vision about you, say you go soon marry. After that one, the pastor can see another vision again. No, he tell her say yes, that vision where I tell you before, I don't see him again. And this time around, now maybe the man where you marry for the vision. No, now so you can't tell the girl. Now no say women no they use ear marriage. Now so this girl the body could prepare. Hey. Now so the man can tell her say, but before me and you go marry, you need resign from this job where they do. You need sell your house. Mumu or there. She too, she follow. Go write resignation letter, resign. Good job where this girl been get to. After she resigned, the house where she dey stay, she sell her for 500,000 naira. Yeah? You sell house. My people, after she even sell the house, they give her money, 500K. Cash. No be check. Oh. Okay. You can remove 50,000. Give the man as tithe. Hey. Then the remaining one we can't their pocket. She even they use that balance. They take care of the man. They take care of the church. Like any project where the church they spend the money together till this money finish. What can happen at the end? The man can't go live on. Say you don't get another person where they marry. Hey, plenty wahala just dey. This 2021 just enter with plenty wahala, my people. As I dey talk to Nana, these people they court. Their matter they court for table. Say whether they supposed to arrest the man, make the man return the money. No be small thing, no. My people, this girl say she no agree. Say the man don't make her waste her life. Because she for don't marry another person, but because of this pastor, he leave the person, the man don't even make her spend money. Plenty base. My sister, forgive me, but you are foolish. First of all. Because I don't see how you go sell your house. No, wait, I don't know whether did they use jazz for una? Any small thing where man just tell you because una the relationship you go see, you know if you please man. You go sell house, you go resign from work, now you don't stay alone. Who go come feed you now? Me. Look at my face very well. Be like say something they walk you. Una know the year word, women. Women, their sins they disappear. If once man just tell them, baby, I want to marry you. They totally them. They forget their self. Now, see wahala we don't enter. Because I not to say woman no fit take care of man. And they support them. As a woman, you supposed to support your husband or your boyfriend at least small. But not to the extent where you go foolish. And normally, as it get level self where you and your husband feel day if you don't marry, but you get your house separate. Because anything feel happen, my sister. Anything feel happen. You resign work. Okay, make we even assume say okay, these people even marry last, and she resign. This man now when they trouble her, they beat her, they do this one. At least if you get job, you feel decide to even walk out of the marriage, you get something to fall back on. This one, if they no come marry you, you no come get house, you still no come get job. You just stay there. I will marry you, I saw a vision, I saw this. Not the only vision you go see. You go soon see spider. So men just they wicked. And for the first thing this person a pastor, now even they bust my medulla. You just sit down, deceive person. You where they read Bible, you even collect tithes. Only God knows say when no, my people, this one. I beg. Not be everybody wait till you say see vision. It good oh. If man tell you say, babe, I saw a vision, me and you got married. Tell the man, say, okay, brother, wait. Me too, I need to hear from God. You too go and pray and wait for God to tell you that he's the one. Abi. Because una just the waka, Mr. Pastor. You see this run where they run. You better continue to the run. No stop this running. Because if you stop him, now so calamity will just hit you bam. Very wicked. Some people just they wicked. Now people like you, they cause confusion for this Africa. Both in the church, outside church. People like you. Now this guy, if I be your mama, I suppose give you slap. Next time, no. Some people need some things need hit some people so that they go wake up. Because be like say she don't sleep since. Madam House Seller. You be minister of Mumu affairs. You minister. I don't give you that title. Women, hi Chineke. You know why? Una know why men always they play una? Because they don't see say una they desperate for wedding. And as they don't see say this thing they work, because they don't they do and they still they do them. Even till night they happen. And as they don't see say they work, they go come meet una, they lie to una. Because now no man no one women when no they do anything. They look for those ones where get money. Because many girls will get money, they know they marry. Because of experience, this one. Once they don't see person, we just deceive them small, they just forgive them all the money. Chai. Make una check well. Because this one they thought say he ran into tiny air. Not only tiny air, that man still there that place. He still there at Adamawa. Make una check all the corners. He still there. Because now they run. They say he don't hide. They know they see him, but they wait for them because the case they table for court. Now he don't run. And he go look for another victim where he go continue the same thing. Women, my fellow women, my sisters, I beg, I don't tire to they talk about this thing. No they desperate. Who be your own, go be your own, it go come. No they desperate. If you get married for 45, you go die. No be Rita Dominic just married now. 45 years. And she still there fresh, money day, love day, no deception. No go rush, then you go come outside, come they disturb everybody, they burn my data, they burn my phone calls. I beg, I'm not the lack of these things, oh. Make una just, I beg, respect yourself. Respect yourself because me say, why? I joke, I be my people, you understand? Just that the thing they vex me, I know they hear word. My people, I beg, now the matter be this way they happen now. More. I don't even know when I hear this thing, I say, I beg, I need to bring and call on a table. Because this thing will be something for one person to discuss. We need to discuss them together. So drop her for the comment section. What do you think say this lady now supposed to do? And what do you think say they supposed to do to the so-called pastor? I want to know. Drop her for the comment section. Share this video, make it go viral. Don't forget subscribe if you never subscribe. Click on that notification bell. If not, you go to miss everything when we drop. I love you guys. See you later.